Can you tell this is recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh, good.
Taylor ran me off the track.
He roosted, bro.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Sleeping?
Yeah.
I got a wee daddy. Where you been at?
What do you mean?
It's like, when you fell over and then come run me off the track, that's bullcrap.
I never fell
We'll
over.
fight in the pits, boy. I'll send with you to come by.
Ain't no race. We just have
If it was a race, I'd have been mad a long time ago because I ain't never won one. It's never the guy in second place that gets arm pump. It's always the guy in the front. You know? Oh, Brian's up there. Ben's right on his tail. You know Brian's got arm pump and he's got to be getting tired. You know, you're like, what about Ben? He can't get in front of him, so Brian must not be having that bad arm pump. Ricky gets.
Now they're making me pay for it though.
Give me my straw.
Huh?
My straw. My thingamabobber. Yeah. You took that off when we took off a minute ago, so I couldn't be hydrated.
Yeah. I was hoping to catch you, but you're too fast.
I'm really, really fast.